It's Gems Jack here, and welcome to another speed build. Today I will be building my friends Jess and Sarah. That's really all I gotta say. They've been pretty good friends to me so far, and yeah, let's get straight to it. Don't want to bore you guys much longer. And like always, go check out Ray and Kate's server IP in the description, and follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr, and soon to be Instagram. Probably won't be in this descriptions. There probably won't be a link in this description, but probably from all my videos now on. But anyways, I wanted to keep this pretty short, and I'm rambling on still, so let's get straight to the build. Okay, and that was Sarah's build. Now we are going to head on to Jess's build. Right about, wait for it. Now. And we're back. Those were the two builds, Sarah and Jess. Hope you guys did enjoy that. Also, don't forget to go on Ray and Kate's server, Pixelmon. We are playing version 1.7.2, I believe. Pixelmon 3.1.4. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Jamma, and I'll see you guys later. Stay cool, Jammas. See ya.